everyone, how are you all? I hope you're doing great. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create your winged eyeliner. So let's start the tutorial. Okay, so I'm using this Huda Beauty gel eyeliner and this eyeliner brush. What you need to do is extend your lower lash line by creating a straight line towards the end point of your brows. Next, you need to join the line to the middle part of your upper lash line. Now it's time to fill in the wing, and if you like, you can make it a little bit thicker like I'm doing it here. Now I'm going to fill in my inner lash line. Finally, it's time to finish up with some mascara. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Try this simple technique and do let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, so go ahead and subscribe. And I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.